My planning philosophy is that my clients avoid financial failure. And everybody has their own definition of financial failure. For the business owner, that might mean not being able to pass their business on to their chosen successors. It might mean paying more than they intended to in estate taxes or other types of taxes. And for the professional, that might mean simply the loss of income that results in not being able to pay bills or pay for life. The goal is to avoid financial failure. Therefore, we need to identify the threats or vulnerabilities that could cause financial failure, prioritize those threats or vulnerabilities, and deal with the most pressing or potentially damaging ones first. Everyone has their own definition of what would constitute financial failure, and what I've found working with many clients over the years is that there's almost always a connection to income. Either one's ability to produce income through their labor during their working years, or their ability to produce income from their assets during their retirement years. To retire, it's necessary to convert our investment net worth into retirement income. The only way that we have enough money at retirement to produce the retirement income is if we've saved enough money during our working years. And the only way that we can save money is if we first earn it. Unless you already have enough money to retire, then one's ability to produce income is your most precious financial resource. I think that a lot of advisors jump right into recommending techniques, strategies, or products. But I think before we do any of that, we really need to make sure that we have an aligned philosophy for financial decision making.